Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss when someone goes live on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get live notifications for any Instagram account you follow, so you'll always be first to join their live sessions and never miss a moment. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, head to the profile of the person or page you want to get live notifications from. You can do this by searching their username or tapping their name anywhere you see it on Instagram. Once you're on their profile, look just below their bio for the following button. Tap on it. This will reveal more options related to how you follow this account. Now, at the top right corner of their profile, you'll see a bell icon. This is the notifications button. Tap on the bell to open up notification settings for this specific account. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Goes Live. Tap on it to see your choices for live video notifications. To make sure you get every alert, select Get All Notifications. This way, you'll receive a notification every single time this account starts a live video. That's it. You're all set. From now on, whenever this person goes live, you'll get a notification on your phone, so you can jump in and watch right away. This feature is perfect for keeping up with your favorite creators, friends, or anyone whose live content you don't want to miss. You can repeat these steps for as many accounts as you like, and you can always adjust your notification preferences later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who want to stay updated on Instagram Lives. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tech tips.